They've got to fix this window. Yo, this is crazy though. It was Friday, December 23rd, 11:58 p.m. This shit been going all day. It's crazy. Wow. If I open the window, how crazy this shit is. Ooh. It's like it takes your fucking breath away, like takes your oxygen away. Like I was just trying to breathe in that wind, and the wind is so crazy with the snow. It like takes your whole breath away. It's crazy. I like got scared for a second. I'm in the fucking attic. Imagine if you're like out there. This is crazy. Like you would die. This is insane, man. I can't believe we live in a place like this.